Well, here's one of the cornfields. Not too shabby. Where I'm at, I did not crimp the buckwheat, and for apparently 12 rows, and it's showing a big difference to right over there where I did crimp. And I'll show you even over here, corn's bigger. Could be, well, it's definitely mostly from the crimping. There's still, even over here, there's still a lot of buckwheat to be found. You know, the stuff you don't kill right next to the plant kind of fills inward as well. And it's kind of a crazy difference in corn height and health. So definitely want to crimp. The thing I would want to know is, like, if I went over there now with the high clearance crimper and crimped it, when there's more biomass, it's just starting, you know, to push its tassel out, you know, its flag leaf or whatever. You know, it's definitely not this good at this point, but would it make up that ground because you're getting a bigger release through grain fill? That would be the thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna have my gall-dang high clearance crimper done in the next, you know, maybe I need to reprioritize that, but it's just, it's 12 rows, so it's kind of like, I don't know. Farm's pulling me every which direction, guys. There's too much to do. Gotta be more prepared next year. It's always next year. But yeah, still got a lot of buckwheat just coming in from the sides, and I spread some gypsum and micronutrient stuff right before I crimped. That's what that is. But yeah, I couldn't get that before planting. The mixing plant went down. But yeah, lots of still plenty of biomass going on here. You know, you could probably catch a whole nother thing with the high clearance crimper, but wham. But yeah, this is cool. Corn looks way better where I crimped it. Pretty wild. But there's still plenty of cover crop, and man, it's just there's a buckwheat. It's pretty girthy buckwheat root, I tell ya, or stem. Sorry, but smelling it, smells very good. We got 2 inches of rain yesterday, and it's not at all damp to the touch. Kind of wild. We were actually needing the rain after being so wet. It just got hot, humid, and didn't rain for a while. But yeah, so this is cornfield. I would say the other field looks even better than this. This is Albert Lee, and it's looking great. Tell you, the Bass hybrids, those look great. I forget which one I planted on the other field. It looks so good. I'll get back to you on that one. But yeah, geez, maybe I need to try and get high clearance crimper done. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what should I Need to have everything figured out next year. Because part of me wants to put the boom back on this, the 6,000, feed this stuff. The other part wants to rush and make the crimper and try and get it done. I guess either one is cool. We'll see. Alright. Catch you on the flip side.